Hello guys, today's topic is how to make our lives better. Many people come to me with this question, and this is a very prominent question, that so and so planet is supposedly very good in our horoscopes, but it is not giving good results. So what is happening? What can we do about it? We must remember that every planet plays a very important role in our lives, and the planets are very powerful. And if we do things related to these planets, our lives automatically begin to become better. But if we don't do these things, or do things which are against these planets, or things which are against the significations of these planets, then even if the planet is good in the horoscope, it will begin to turn bad. It will begin to give bad results, or it will not be able to give good results. So in today's video, I will talk about all the planets, how they give good results, and how through our own deeds we stop the planet from giving us good results, and how we can improve our deeds or change our lifestyles so that the planet begins to give good results. I will cover all the planets one by one, so please watch the video till the end. I will begin with a very small example so that you can understand the practical implication of this. Suppose a person is physically weak, he begins to do exercise, and slowly he begins to become physically strong. Now, how is physical strength defined? Physical strength is defined by Mars. Even if Mars was good in the person's horoscope, it will still not give good results if the person does not exercise, or if the person does not do things related to Mars. Only when the person begins to do things related to Mars, or things signified by Mars such as exercise, only then Mars will begin to turn good and begin to give good results in the horoscope. Let us now see all the planets one by one. Sun is the significator of our father, our soul, the king, the government, our righteous decisions, our self-confidence, our ego. Now suppose Sun is good in a horoscope, but the person does not give respect to father or his father figures, or has a lot of fights with his bosses in the office, then automatically Sun will turn bad and begin to give bad results. So to get good results from Sun, always take the blessings of your father and fatherly figures. Moon represents our mother. So even if Moon is good in a horoscope, but the person decides to trouble his old mother, decides to have fight with the mother, does not behave with her properly, then Moon will turn bad in the horoscope and begin to give bad results. Moon also signifies water, milk, and rice. So if a person begins to waste water, milk, or rice, then Moon will begin to turn bad in the horoscope. So to maintain a good Moon in a good position so that it can give us good results, we must ensure that we do not waste water, we conserve water. As it is very important in today's world, and we do not waste items related to Moon such as rice and milk. The next planet is Mercury. Mercury signifies our speech. A good Mercury will give a person a very good and sweet voice. He will be able to speak very fluently. But if the person with a good Mercury begins to use bad or abusive language, then automatically his Mercury will begin to turn bad and start giving bad results in his horoscope. So always make sure that you use a very sweet voice and good speech, and do not use bad language. Then Mercury will begin to give good results in your horoscope. Mercury also represents all things green, such as plants. So if a person begins to water plants every day, every morning, go and water the plants, and you will find your Mercury will begin to give good results. Jupiter, the next planet, signifies our knowledge, our wisdom. And Suppose a person is not good in studies, not getting good marks, the child is not doing well at school. What do we tell the child? We tell the child to study, and when he studies, his marks begin to improve. That means he is doing the things which are signified by Jupiter. He begins to read books more than what he was doing normally, and Jupiter, which was not giving good results till now, begins to turn good in the horoscope, and he begins to get good marks. Jupiter also signifies our teachers, all kind of gurus who give us some kind of wisdom. And so we must respect all our teachers, gurus and teacher-like figures, even father, because father also teaches us something or the other. If we begin to give all these people good respect, then Jupiter will begin to turn good in our horoscope. Another thing that Jupiter signifies is gold. So the first indication of Jupiter going bad will be that a person will lose gold or sell gold or mortgage gold, or his gold will be stolen. So in order to keep your Jupiter good, take care of your gold. Whatever you're holding in your house, try to avoid selling it or mortgaging it. Venus, which is the next planet, is the most desired planet in today's world, which is called the Kali Yuga, because Venus gives us all luxuries. But what people do not understand is that Venus is not only the significator of luxuries, money, cars, clothes, perfumes, every good thing, every beautiful thing, every artistic thing that we obtain. But the main signification of Jupiter is our desires. And these desires can be in material world, towards materialistic things, or they could be sexual desires. So if Venus is very good in a horoscope but still is not giving good results, then we must make sure that we maintain a good life, that we do not have extramarital affair, that we always wear good clothes, keep ourselves well dressed, always try to look good, use perfumes, clean your nails, comb your hair, always present a good look even while at home, so that Venus continues to give good results in the horoscope. Mostly I have seen that for people whose Venus become very bad, they become careless about their clothings, what kind of clothes they are wearing, what is their appearance. I have seen people not changing their clothes for 3 to 4 days in case the Venus is very bad. So to maintain Venus good, which is also Lakshmi Mata, always maintain your appearance in the best possible manner. And the last planet is Saturn. Now, people are very afraid of Saturn, but Saturn does not give anything on its own. Saturn gives us only the results of whatever deeds we have done or whatever our karmas are. So, to get good results from Saturn, we must do good karmas. And what are these good karmas? These good karmas are that we should not eat non-veg and we should not drink alcohol. We must help and give respect to all old people, all people who are poor or class 4 employees. We must not fight with these people, we must try to support them always, and all people who have some trouble in their legs. So basically, once we begin to give respect and support these people, Saturn begins to give good results. Otherwise, Saturn, which is the significator of delays, it will always give delay in whatever endeavor you are engaged in. Doing these small things in our day-to-day life will make our life better. That's all for today. Thank you.